This is a review of the Donrao 3 light fixtures. This is a 24-inch in size, and we're going to pretty much review about this. And in this review, we're going to show you guys everything that you need to know about these fixtures. So one of the main things I want to talk about is that, let's get off to the main thing, is that this could be rotated. And if you're wondering, pretty much how it could be rotated, it's pretty much a 350 degrees rotation. So pretty much I have it already rotated, but one thing I love about these 3 light fixtures is that you can rotate it to however your liking is. So the way I have it is like this, and it gives the most brightest output in my perspective. But you can also have it laying flat as well too. So for example, I could pretty much grab this and just put it on like this, one right here, the other one right over here. So you can have it lay it flat like this. But for me, like I told you guys, to have it to the brightest output, I usually put it like this to bring the light out right over here, and the other one right over here to bring the light out. In this type of setting, it gives the brightest output for my bathroom. And another thing I love about this 3 light fixtures in 24 inches is that it pretty much was user friendly and very easy to install. It was really a very easy install, and it didn't take much time to pretty much install this. And overall, it gives a cool white 6K LED light as well too. So it's extremely bright, and it could, aesthetically change the appearance to your bathroom as well too. So overall, if you're looking for something to pretty much improve the looks of your bathroom and to modernize your bathroom and change the appearance of your bathroom, then these 3 light fixtures from Donrao is probably one of the best fixtures that you could get. And not only that, but I just love pretty much the looks of it. The black finish on pretty much on the sides of it looks absolutely beautiful as well too. And pretty much like I told you guys, 350 degrees, you can rotate it however you want. It, very easy to install, user friendly, and overall I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for something to improve the aesthetics of your bathroom.